Hi, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll show you how to use OnceHub's advanced workflows using your OnceHub MCP and AI agent. The OnceHub MCP allows your AI agents to access specific data from your OneSub account as well as perform specific actions within the account. For today's video, we will be taking a look at how the OneSub MCP can be used with your Slack channels. So, if you are communicating with your team members using Slack, you could use information from OneSub and send it directly to your Slack channel. This saves your effort and time for manually logging into OneSub, searching for the information you want, and then sending it to Slack. To see how this can work, we can take a look at the AI agent I have set up on Claude. This AI agent is connected with my OneSub MCP as well as Slack. If you have not yet connected your AI agent with the OneHub MCP, you can refer to our separate video on how to do this. For today's video, what I want to do is send my upcoming meeting information via a Slack channel. This would allow the other team members to help me prepare for the meeting. So first, I will ask the AI agent to get me my upcoming meetings. You could also use the OneSub MCP to retrieve data which is stored in your connected CRM. So if I wanted to, I could also take a look at whatever information is available for these leads on my CRM and send that information via Slack. So it looks like I have 3 upcoming meetings on each of my booking calendars. So let's take a look at how we can send this information via Slack. So I'm asking the AI agent to help me prepare for my meeting by sending the meeting details to the Slack channel called OnceHub Bookings. Before we proceed with the prompt, we can also take a look at the channel I have set up called OnceHub Bookings. So this is the channel I want to send the message to. We can return to Claude to continue with writing the prompt. So I'm also asking the AI agent to send more information related to my working hours via the Slack channel. So let's see how the AI agent responds. So we can see that the AI agent is coming up with the details. So we can go ahead and send this information and see how it comes through in Slack. So within the Slack channel, I can see the draft was updated correctly, and it looks like the details were also sent correctly. So here we can see a summary of my upcoming meetings, such as who the meeting is scheduled with, when the meeting is for, and which booking calendar it was scheduled on. The OneSub MCP also sent in my available working hours so that I can go ahead and schedule some time with the team so that we can prepare for these meetings. You could also utilize the other tools available via OneSub MCP to send more information to your Slack channel. I hope this information helps in understanding how you can set up advanced workflows using the OneSub MCP In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.